Hi, my name is Jess from Pure Beauty, and I teach young women like yourself about health and beauty, and so if you're new here, consider subscribing. Okay, so in today's video I will be doing an unboxing of this that I got in the mail a couple of days ago, and it will be supplements that you can put in your smoothie, so let's get into it. So this is what you get when I open this box. The first thing you get is a energy boost smoothie supplement, and the second thing you get is a multivitamin smoothie supplement. So I'll just tell you a bit of information about both things. So I just want to open this and show you exactly what it looks like inside as well. There you go, you can see it opening now. So this is what it looks like inside, and you should get a little cap that you can see in here, a little spoon that looks like this, and you just get a little bit like that to put in your juices or smoothies. Okay, so I'm just going to give you more information on the Vibe Boost Energy Boost supplement, and this is good for when you're exercising and if you are getting fatigue, and it'll give you more energy as you're exercising. So therefore our customers have said after taking this supplement it's made them feel so much better. And also in the evenings when they take this supplement, it also, if they are getting tired or just feeling a little bit run down, they take this and they feel so much more energy from using the Energy Boost. Okay, and next I'm going to give you some more information on the multivitamin supplement. It is so great for improving your general health and people that are struggling to fit in their general minerals and vitamins in their daily diet. Also, people that struggle with eczema, using this will definitely help you out, and after using the multivitamin, it will improve it drastically. Okay, so now I'm going to put the Vibe Juice website somewhere around here, or I'll put in the description, and I just want to run through how you can order and how you can get your discount. Okay, now I'm on the Vibe Boost page, so just scroll down, pick which supplement you like, whether that be the multivitamin smoothie supplement or the Energy Boost supplement, and then click Add to Basket, then go to Basket, and then click Apply Discount and type in my discount code BEAUTY5 to get a 5% discount, and then click Apply. Well, you made it to the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below which one of the supplements you preferred, whether it be the Energy Boost or the multivitamin, and which one you would like more information on. Let me know and I can talk to you on my social medias. And there should be 2 videos popping up here. One will be to do with makeup and can help you out to do with eyeliner, on how to apply eyeliner. And the other one will be another unboxing video. So if you enjoyed this unboxing video, you should enjoy that one too. And so pick one of them, whatever one you are most intrigued to click. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.